Today it's time to look up in the sky. It's Michelle Obama's favorite bird, Woodstock. Woodstock. Michelle Obama at the DNC talking, and I wonder what she will say. I think it will be something like this. Hi, my name is Woodstock. Imagine if Michelle Obama was a bird. Woodstock likes to imagine. This is what Woodstock's impersonation of Michelle Obama at the DNC was. Hello, my name is Michelle Obama. When I was born, it was something different. I am from the south side of Chicago. I like eating pizza. There's a really nice pizza place. And also, I have a nice pizza. I recently read the autobiography that I wrote. That's right, I wrote it because I'm Michelle Obama. Some people call me Bernie Sanders, but I'm really Bertie Sanders. And here's what I gotta say. Me and Joe Biden might disagree about the different types of liberty, but there's one thing we got to do. There's a healthcare thing, I think. Something about, raise the thing to 15, because my name is Bernie Sanders and I'm a bird now. I live in Burlington, Birdmont, and I am Big Bird, a little big bird, big bird, big bird, big bird. Oh, big bird, just a big old bird. He's just a big old bird. He's just a big old bird. He's just a big old bird, big old bird. The difference between Big Bird and Bernie Sanders is that Big Bird is a radical, Big Bird separatist. And I think that the Bloc, Québécois, needs to learn to have a straw in standing up for the francophones around the world. That's my anglophone take. Anglophone take. I wish Anna not taught me French better. And tele français. Tele français. That's my anglophone take. My anglophone take.